everybody. We are howling for you at SeaWorld's Howl O Scream. Oh my gosh, alright, look. We got this giant guy over here already. Are those muscles painted on your body, or are you just happy to see us? He doesn't want to say anything at all.
He can't say anything.
He can't say anything. Looks like we've got a Weird Al Yankovic sighting here as well. Oh, and the Big Shop of Horrors right there.
There's no turning back. Even while we sleep.
Ah, it's not good. Dead end, James. Didn't even watch out for that pole. Our first scare zone, Carnival. We had Carnival at Kings Island, right, James?
Yeah, it was like mall.
It was like,
Oh, that's right. It was Coney Mall, but Carnival Pier. Got to go right in this clown's mouth.
no, you don't. No, look.
Oh, you don't have to go in the clown's mouth. Oh, where'd James go? Oh, hello. That was yeah. You do have to go in the clown's mouth, James. Carnival Curiosities. I mean, if he was curious more than once a year, like twice a year, would he be by curiosities? Oh, that was really cute.
So cute.
April 20th, am I right, guys? If you know, you know. You don't know. They say a mime is a terrible thing to waste. Yeah. I'm on the list. It's kind of weird, you go in one mouth, but you would think that when you get to the end of Carnival, you would, well, you're going in one mouth again to exit. You would have thought it'd been the other end. So this guy behind me says, there's a freak show over here. I just got to look in the mirror for the freak show. Oh yeah, oh. Wow! That's,
Yeah, you can join our crew anytime.
I'm on it, thank you.
Just the right look for it.
So one scare zone is down. Getting ready to go to another scare zone. And actually the scariest of all scare zones right here, Sesame Street Land, 10 miles the other way. That's a heck of a walk, James. Yeah, yowzers. Super Grover!
Don't you mean minutes?
No, miles, Josie, miles.
That said M-I-N.
Or chainsaws.
In black. I'm a lumberjack and I'm okay. I sleep all night and I work all... Oh, God, no! This guy's got a weed whack. Disney's The Little Mermaid right here. Look at this stuff, isn't it neat? Wouldn't you think my collection's so sweet? Very sweet. Well, this is a lot of fun. Yeah! Oh, lordy. Jeez Louise, people behind plexiglass.
So much girls.
So
That's my favorite one.
so much girls. Look, jumping girls.
So much girls. So much. It's like they're trapped in vending machines. You don't know how to get out. It's just like suck.
Well, they are vampires, James, so yeah, that makes sense that they would suck.
Right, sunshine in
This cutie patootie right here. Yeah, this is gonna be me about 3 years, but I don't stop eating chocolate-covered gummy bears. You've been sipping on Grandpa's cough medicine, have you?
No, this is Harvinger's Classic.
Oh,
Anti-vampire juice.
fair enough. Thank you.
That's why I'm seeing you.
Reading random books, condom. This is the wrong kind of house.
Says condemned. So you can't film in the houses, but these houses are so cool. I love them so much. What are you getting ready to say, James?
Like, they're kind of stupid because they're like trapped in fences, but they like can't.
Oh yeah, there was a fence. The guy could have gone around on the other side. Oh, you know what, maybe later on he'll develop the brain power and figure things out for himself. We can't help all the zombies.
It's gonna be alright, right. sunshiny day.
Ooh. Josie, there's all these pirates over here. Oh yeah, this guy looks like Right Said Fred. He's too sexy for his shirt.
Really, dude? Really?
You are too sexy for your
Go
shirt.
back to
Disneyland.
9 3/4.
Hey, let's go see a show. The Monster Stomp. So we're here inside the Monster Stomp, and so far everyone's been reacting to monster sounds, which is actually kind of cool. But then James was like,
What was I like?
he was like, what if the
Oh,
whole
yeah.
show is just them
Just like walking around and just.
for 2 hours, and we just sit here the whole time? That would be actually a fun
Pretty good
troll.
show.
That'd be a fun troll for us.
Bring out Janet!
That show was really cool, even though a lot of people died. It was a lot of fun. Really top notch. They all came alive at the end. They didn't die for real life. Yeah, go check out the Monster Stomp at SeaWorld. That's a fun show.
A lot of lights.
Everybody's going over here. I don't know what.
Ooh, toxic turmoil. Oh, you good? You're good. Not even a long wait for this one. Beneath the Ice, the Meltdown. And this is so much more fun than Halloween Horror Nights. Oh my gosh, the line queues are not long at all. Josie, your thoughts on that one? What'd you think? Yeah?
The only scary part
That's it? Just it was good?
like the random loud noises.
Yeah, the random loud noises. There's like air.
Did you say wizards?
No.
Oh, noises.
Like there's like air that'll blow at your feet. Like,
Yeah.
That's what got me the most. Scares that are kind of weird.
Happy birthday, happy birthday to... It's very much like Sea of Thieves when you're drunk. Happy birthday. Ooh, dead vine tell no tales. Because they can't talk, they're dead. And they're vines. I think they should have a scare zone that's just like disappointed moms. Or like their eye rolls, right, guys? Like, yeah, like James would do something stupid and like the eye roll. Yeah, And you just walk through a lot of disappointment. They don't even say a thing. They would just look at you
I
and
don't
be
have to be at
like,
a scare house for that. It happens at home all the time.
I get it. I also get it.
Contamination alert.
Sorry, I breached my pants. I used to be one of those scare actors back in the days when I was in elementary school. a grand time. Much better than Halloween Horror Nights. More cost efficient. Very. Oh, Josie's back. Josie's back. Thank you. And we're heading out for the evening. Josie, what'd you think?
What'd you think?
I didn't hear what she said.
She said that was annoying. And that she hated it.
Oh, all of it? Fair enough. Anyway, guys, that's it for the evening.
Be happy, human.
I can see
Peace out.
clearly now when the rain is gone. I can
Oh, there's an old RV sitting over here. Hopefully, everything's okay.
gone are the dark clouds